How to download TikTok Lite in Korea. So hey, find the right app or you won't see it. Search correctly on under search Google Play for TikTok Lite, not just TikTok. Just a standard app is a different download. But the official version, look at for the light icon with the white style branding. Verify it's published by TikTok pt.ltd. Check the file size. Initial download is roughly around 30 MB. Install fast, then confirm it's really Lite. Installation steps: tap install from Google Play and launch the app. Log in with your existing TikTok account. Expect lighter feature limits, less aggressive preloading on slow networks. If the app doesn't appear in search, it may be region restricted. Do not download random APK files from an official site. This risks malwares and account bans. So why Koreans switch to the Lite and what's at stake? 4.89 MB TikTok Mao, monthly active users on the main app in Korea Feb 2025, and 4.79 million TikTok Lite Mao, nearly matching the main app, showing massive Lite adoption. And 2023 Lite launches year introduced in Korea amid data leak and addiction concern. So yeah, so stay legal, stay ahead of the block. Check Play Store, install TikTok Lite, use app options. Android only. TikTok Lite is officially available on Android via Play Store. iOS no stable standalone Lite app. No side loading. If availability change, remove the heavy app and use legit in-app alternatives, never third-party APKs. Use site features. Take two feature that doesn't require green screen or creator only tooling to avoid compatibility issue. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to question, sabi daw ko siya. Guys, have to as soon as possible. And thank you guys.